Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you a simple hack for a wall-hanging small wreath as a kitchen towel or bathroom hand towel holder. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire, I'm going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Now we're going to make a little swag. Let me just grab the piece that I need. We're just going to lay this down into the Mini. Then I'm going to take my flowers here and lay them going in different directions. Then I'm going to take my ribbon, and I've already dovetailed the ends. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just let the dovetail go down. We're going to twist. Oh, I was playing with my ribbon. It popped out. So now I'm just going to fold this back and forth, and we're going to twist, and I'm going to fold it back. The ribbon keeps wanting to twist on me. And twist it, fold it back, and twist, and bring it back over here, and twist. And I'm holding everything down because we've got a lot in the Mini Bowdabra. So it's pretty much a big project in a little tiny device. But I like to show you all how to use the Mini. Now we're going to have this hang down as a tail. We're going to take this little rose, just lay the rose down in here. I'm going to take my wand and give everything a really good push. But I'm still going to hold on to this because we have a lot in the Mini Bowdabra. So I'm going to grab my wire, bring the wire up, pull it through the through the slip knot, pull it really tight. Now I can lift it out of the Mini, and what's nice is I'm not struggling with it. Now it's totally staying together. Let's separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot. Then what I'm going to do is take my wreath, and I'm going to use my bow wire to just tie this onto my wreath, or you could glue it onto your wreath. It's whichever one you prefer. So we're just going to bring this here, tie it tight, knot it, and I'm going to double knot it. So the wire is great because it helps. Then I'm going to just shape this out. So we'll bring this around here, bring this down, bring my rose into the center, separate the ends of my ribbon. Then what I'm going to do is take my hand towel. This is really cute. We got it at the Dollar Tree. A house is not a home without paw prints. And we'll just hang that in here. And you have this adorable towel holder that was so inexpensive and simple to make. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.